Sleep is something that we all need, and most of us don't get enough sleep at all. But the crazy part about it is we upgrade so many things in our lives, whether it's our phones, our homes, or even our workflow, but not our sleep. Until now. These are going to be the Fitnexa SomniPod 3s, and they're designed for one thing: better sleep. Now, so when we get the box open, we do have our ear tips and our charging cable. Looks like on the side panel, I think so. But then we mainly have our charging case itself. And picking up the charging case out the box, this right here has a very unique design. I've never seen a charging case for earbuds look like this. It's a circular design, but this color is probably like a tan or a taupe. But we're gonna put that to the side so we can figure out whatever else we got inside this box. Now, right under the charger case itself, we do go ahead and get greeted with our, looks like our charger is gonna be hidden inside this little carbon box, which is kind of cool. I love to see how they're hiding certain things inside the box. It's very different, you know. But this right here is going to be a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Thank God, I was hoping that this was going to be charged by USB-C. But putting that to the side, we do have our documentation finally at the end of the box as well. Now, this is just a bunch of documentation, but for this particular product, I would recommend for people to read it, just because you never know exactly what may be in this one. Because like I said, this product right here was basically built for better sleep. So hey, it may be some beneficial information in there for sure. But putting the documentation to the side, let's take a look at this other option we do have over here. Now, in this right here, let me see if we can get it open real quick. This looks like we're gonna have a ton of, yeah, we got a ton of ear tips in here, right? Now, these ear tips right here, they are going to be ranging from anywhere between extra small to extra large. So therefore, they have literally ear tips in here that's going to fit for everybody. Now, you may wonder, why do you have the bottom layer of ear tips in here as well? And that's basically because the actual headphones itself comes with two different covers, because these headphones, they're not the ordinary headphones. They don't just sit in your ear and poke out. They legit sit inside of your ear. So therefore, you can, you know, pick and choose whatever works for you. And especially when it comes to laying down at nighttime, you want to make sure that these things won't fall out, because the goal is to get better sleep. You want to use the active noise cancellation that's inside of here, but mainly you also want to use the features that it comes with on the actual app itself. So let me go and put this up, and we're going to switch gears and go ahead and, you know, look at the Fitnexa app, just because there's a lot of beneficial information on there as well. Now, switching gears to the app, before I do that, I'm going to put these headphones in. That way, you know, we can have our device connected, because of course I did use it and I got me a couple, you know, good night's sleep on it. Now, the active noise canceling on here is pretty decent. I will say that it's not, you know, the best of the best, but taking a look at the app itself, we do have a couple cool features right here on the home screen, right? So of course, you know, I have not set up everything truthfully, just because I really wanted to hurry up and get, you know, to testing out the product. But anyway, looking at the home screen on here, we do have our battery life, which mine's look like I have 3.6 hours, but check this out. The SomniPod has different modes. We have a normal mode, our sleep mode, and our auto sleep detect mode, and the change of hours or battery use definitely does, you know, change with it as well. As you guys see, on the auto mode, I got 9.6 hours. On sleep mode, I get 10.2 hours, because I'm not supposed, oh, it just changed active noise canceling and it's turning on the sound. Okay, that was crazy. But you know, it's making its own adjustments just like that. Now, these are not just sleep headphones at all. You can go ahead and use these for, like, you know, live audio. If you want to go ahead and listen to music or watch TV on it, you can definitely use these headphones for those as well. But keeping it on the actual, you know, the screen itself, you got, now, like I said, we got the active noise cancellation on here. You can turn it on and off. That's pretty decent. We've got a sleep library as well, but we're going to get into that on the next slide. But basically right here, this is going to be like your health screen inside, right? Because when you first set up the actual app itself, it asks you if you want to plug in health information, which I opted out to not do it, just because I have Apple Watch and I didn't really want to, you know, I personally would say, I don't know how it's going to, you know, track my health with the headphones. But then again, technology is just diabolical and crazy, right? But let's go ahead and switch over to the sleep tab now. Now, on the sleep tab right here, it currently says I have no data, which they're sending just for today. So I'm going to go ahead and change it over to Let me see if I can just hit the history side, and let's go to a month. Now, if we take a look at the month, my score is very terrible because I have not got official sleep with this. I've only taken a couple of naps and everything, which, you know, we're going to change that for sure. But as you guys see, my average duration is about like 2 hours and 15 minutes in bed. And yeah, it's just telling me like, hey, bro, you have no deep sleep. No, I guess, I don't know what the REM is. My wake time is 0%, but I definitely had 100% of light sleeping, like I said, because I was taking naps. But the fact that this app can do all of this for us, or really the headphones as well, and keep track of all this data, that is very great, honestly. But let's go ahead and back out of that because that's not going to tell us much more for me. Keeping on the sleep tab, we do have our sleep mix. This right here is very cool. Now, I was trying to figure out like what, I'm going to take this out because this noise canceling is crazy. But basically with this app right here, you get to go ahead and change or actually mix up like different sounds. So if I go ahead and click on this white noise, I'm listening to white noise right now, right? But if I click on brown noise, I'm listening to both of them at the same exact time. And I can even add the deep brown. So now I'm getting 3 different, you know, audios in one, which that's definitely going to be cool for those people that actually want to hear everything at once, you know, at one time. Maybe the white noise is not as soothing as you really want it to be. So if we're going to add you some brown or deep, you know, brown noise to it. But let's go ahead and disregard that because we're not going to save that. Keeping up with the app right here, we have our wind down mode, which is for meditation. And then you have your ambient sounds if you just want to play that, you know, and that's pretty much it. Taking a look at the other 2 tabs, we got a nutrition tab and also exercise tab. I have not set up neither one of those at all either, just because I really, truthfully didn't know this app was that deep. But yeah, let's go and switch gears. Let's go and get up the app itself because that's pretty much everything that's on the app. It's very beneficial in my opinion. Now to answer the biggest question, this sounds so different now without having the headphones in. Yeah, it feels crazy. But anyway, let's go to answer the question, you know, about who these headphones should be for, because a lot of people be like, you know, why would I, you know, waste money on purchasing headphones when I can go ahead and lock in on TV, turn on ambient noise there? The biggest thing is this. Your TV can make the noise, but can your TV block out the distractions around you, right? No, it cannot. Now, if you got a TV that got active noise cancellation, that's crazy. I don't know how that's possible, but send me one. But no, for real though, these headphones right here have the ANC mode, you know, activated inside of them. It also has its own personal library that's going to give you everything you need. You don't have to go to YouTube. You don't have to go to different apps at all to find the perfect sound for you, because you got the sleep mode, mix mode as well, right? So you get to go ahead and make your own mixtures. You got the meditation mode as well. Bro, this thing right here is going to present like the best health remedy, in my personal opinion, for anybody that needs better sleep, that wants to actually track their health, that wants to track the calories that they're using, even using these things for exercise. But like I said, also on top of that, they feel comfortable as well in your ear because they're not an average headphone. You feel me? They don't just sit in your ear and then, you know, they're just there. These things sit inside of your ear. They're literally laying down in your ear. But then also on top of that, you got tons of different, you know, ear tips as well to make them the most comfortable thing for you. And like I said, sound quality to me was great. Like, just listening to music was great in my opinion. Active noise cancellation, I really wish that it could be a little bit better. But of course, you know, with this being the first product, just imagine what the second, the third, the fourth, bro. Whew, it's gonna be crazy, man. But let me know what you guys think about these Fitnexa SomniPod Pro 3s. Would you guys go pick these up or not? We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.